Priya wants to use the Symmetry tool to draw a simple object, for example, an apple. What steps should she follow? To start Adobe Photoshop CC 2018, select Start, All Apps, Adobe Photoshop CC 2018. A welcome screen opens. Click the Create New button. The New Document window opens. In this window, from the list of categories on the top, select the required category. For this activity, let's select Art and Illustration. The blank document presets opens. Choose a preset. For this activity, let's select the default preset. Click the Create button. A new Photoshop document opens. Select Edit, Preferences, Technology Previews. The Preferences window opens. Select Enable Paint Symmetry checkbox. Select the Brush tool. Click the butterfly icon in the options bar. Then select the type of symmetry from the menu. For this activity, let's select New Vertical. Select red color. Now apply brush strokes to create symmetrical designs like an apple here. Now that you have finished the task, let us take a quick quiz. Which of the following tools in Photoshop is used to soften an image or part of an image? Well done! That's all in this session, kids. See you later.